Hey guys, in this video we'll be making a drop like R3hab. The R3hab sounds consist of heavy bass sounds like this, combined with leads like this. So now let's create our own R3hab style drop. For the bass and lead sounds, we'll be using presets from the pack Lead Sounds for 1. So if you want to make this style of music, make sure to check it out. It's linked down below. The first preset we'll be using sounds like this. Just bump on the sustain a little bit. Now we'll be writing a bass melody. The melody sounds like this. Now we're gonna layer the bass with other presets from the pack. This will be the mid bass, the sub bass, and the top bass. Altogether, the basses sound like this. We also added some effects. Now we'll be making the lead sounds. We're using the R3hab lead from the pack. Now we'll be writing the lead melody. Sounding like this. Then we're gonna layer the sound. Altogether sounding like this. We also added some effects. We're gonna start off with a kick, then stacking some clap layers. Altogether sounding like this. Now we'll bang the head. And some effects. Altogether, the drum sounds sound like this. For the build-up, we'll be using this re-sound. We're playing the notes of the bass line in the drop. We're also adding the leads to the build. Filtered with a loud filter. Then we're gonna add some riser effects. Besides that, we're also filtering the drums in. To spice it up a little bit more, we're adding some vocals from Splice. So altogether, the final result will sound like this.
I put my hands up, I put my hands up, put my hands up over my head, put my hands up over my head.